G'day everyone, I'm Brett and today we're talking about the Gerber Suspension NXT Multi-Tool, which is this thing. This multi-tool has some great features you may not know about, so we'll go into that, but I'm also going to go into all the tools and functions that it has as well, so stick around, it's going to be a good one. So let's talk about some of the features. The Suspension NXT has the Safety Plus locking system, so when you open things up, they lock into place. And what that means is if you're using the scissors or the knife or something like that, you can open it up, it'll lock into place, and it will not close back down again until you actually release this mechanism on the side. So it means when you're using a pocket knife, for instance, it's not going to bend on you and cut your fingers. I have an older version of one of these, which is just the Gerber Suspension. It's much bulkier and much heavier in materials, but this one was designed to be lightweight, so it's easy to carry and easy to pack away, and you can take it anywhere. But having said that, it hasn't lost any of its build quality because it's all stainless steel and very well made. Now the handles of the multi-tool are ergonomically designed so you can use them for a long period of time. They're actually quite soft to use and very comfortable in your hand. What I like about it is the butterfly opening system where everything just opens up like a butterfly, which gives you easy access to all the tools you may need. Other versions of Gerber come with a pouch or a belt clip that you can put this into, but this comes with its own belt clip on the side here, which means you can clip it to belts, pockets, or any gear you want. There is also a lanyard hole at the back, so you can actually hook up to a keychain or a lanyard if you need to. And what people may not know is that Gerber also offer a limited lifetime warranty on this particular multi-tool. There is 15 different functions this particular multi-tool has, so let's have a look. First off, we have the spring-loaded needle nose pliers, with also normal pliers in the middle, and a set of wire cutters that are under there as well. Let's start with this side first. So we have the cross driver or Phillips head screwdriver on this side. This part here is an awl. It's good for punching holes in things, like for belt holes and things like that. That's what it's used for. Perfect for that. It's also got a bit of a blade on it as well. Right next to that we have a ruler, if you need to measure things that are very, very small. But if you turn that over, we also have a file as well. But on the end of that we have the medium flathead driver, so there's a flathead screwdriver on the end. And of course we have the belt clip down this side as well. If we go over to this side, you can see that we have a pretty good knife here with the serrated edge. You also have here a pair of scissors, and over here we have a can opener, and in here we have a bottle opener. And on the end of that we have the small flathead screwdriver as well. And over here you have the large flathead screwdriver or driver on the end of that as well. If we turn that driver over, you can see there's the driver there, but we also have a wire stripper which is in here as well. So you can pull that back through here, pull your wire through and strip it if you need to. And of course back over here you've got the lanyard hole, the lanyard mount there as well. Things to note are if you don't have the tool clicked all the way out, it will automatically come back in. You have to open it completely all the way, but once it's open, you can't push it back in. It's locked. So the only way to do that is pull this lever back and fold that back in. And of course, then you get the pliers, fold the whole thing back in, and you've got your nice little bundle again. Now, do I recommend this multi-tool? Well, I do, because I'm doing a video on it. There are much more expensive and better multi-tools on the market if you want to go down that path, but for a budget multi-tool, it is extremely well made, it's extremely handy, and it's really, really lightweight and quite compact. You can put it in your bag and just forget about it. If you like this video and you want to see more just like it, you can click this video here. It's about a compact wallet which has a multitude of functions and is very cool. And until I see you in the next video, have a great one. Bye.